Hi, it's Ruth here from EnglishTestHelp.online. Let's do a little lesson today, totally free, so you can say on my own and by myself. Do you know how to do this first one? A friend of mine, a watch of mine, a dog of mine. So in English, we say and write a or some, article or quantifier, then the noun, then of, and then you need these pronouns: mine, yours, his or hers, ours, and theirs. And notice, except for mine, these ones all have an S. Here are some examples. I'm going to a wedding on Saturday. A friend of mine is getting married. It was a good idea of yours to invite Rob. I really like him. And notice, all of this is one noun phrase. Let's go to the next one. My own. In English, we say or write my own, your own, his or her own, our own, their own. And we can use its as well for a thing. Let's look at some examples. One day I'm going to buy my own, and what comes after this? A noun. One day I'm going to buy my own house. It's a shame that this apartment doesn't have its own courtyard. Have you got that? It's easy. I know you can learn it. The next two are the same meaning. These two expressions mean alone, without another person. For example, did you go on holiday by yourself? The workers want to make some decisions on their own. Mum, I can tie my shoelaces all by myself. The first one can also be, did you go on holiday on your own? The second one could be, the workers want to make some decisions by themselves. And the last one could be, Mum, I can tie my shoelaces all on my own. So you can change them, it doesn't matter. All right, let's do a little test. Pause the video and read the 5 statements or sentences. What is the best answer to put in the gaps? Take your time and pause the video. All right, how did you go? Patrick is a man's name, so him or his. Patrick had an argument with a co-worker of his. The next one, you know the famous actress Sheila Sharma. She's a friend. And you've got to use the word sister. She's a friend of my sister's. Number 3, by the age of about 13, children want to choose children, them or their. Children want to choose their own clothes. Number 4, I, my or mine. I want a little garden so that I can grow my own herbs and vegetables. And number 5, the 2 politicians had a long discussion. Now you've got 2 options here, on their own or by themselves. How did you go? Were you close? Did you get them correct? I'm here to help, and if you're having trouble with IELTS, I do have free ebooks that you can get from my website, englishtesthelp.online. Or maybe I'll see you on Facebook or YouTube or Pinterest. Bye for now.